So today we will learn about the do-while loop. It is a control flow statement that repeatedly executes a block of code until a specified condition becomes false. It differs from the while loop in that it evaluates the condition after executing the block of code, ensuring that the block of code is executed at least once, regardless of whether the condition is true or false initially. Let's see how we can write the do-while loop. We need the do keyword followed by the curly braces. Inside this curly braces, we need to add the code that will be executed. We then need the while keyword followed by the condition inside the parentheses. Now, let's take them in action. I have opened script.js, and in this script, there is a function to generate a random number. At the bottom, create a new variable, counter, and assign them to 0. Then add do keyword and a curly braces. Add the while keyword followed by the parentheses, and inside this parentheses, let's add the condition counter is less than 5. Inside the curly braces, let's call the function and log them in console. So I will use console.log generate random number, and I will pass 10 as an argument. Finally, let's increase the value of counter by 1. So I will add counter plus equals 1. Now let's take the preview, and you can see 5 different random number has been generated. As I mentioned earlier, when we use do-while loop, it will execute a block of code at least once, even though the condition is false. So let me update the value of counter to 20. Now in the condition, 20 is less than 5. This is false. But even though it is false, it will execute at least once. So you can see one random number has been generated. Great. So feel free to use either while loop or do-while loop. But if you need to execute code at least once, then we need to use do-while loop. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the third topic, for loop. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.